Let's break down the term character set. Character refers to any single letter or symbol, like A, B, or even a digit, like BAM1. Set means a collection, so it's more than one character grouped together. A character set is a collection of characters that includes alphabets, A to Z, both uppercase and lowercase, digits, 0 to 9, and special characters like @ and vowels, etc. Think about it. What can you input using a keyboard? You type letters, numbers, and symbols. That's a character set. Remember this. A character set is a collection of alphabets, digits, and special symbols. It's that simple. And yes, every programming language uses a character set. Without it, you can't even start writing a program.